Hello, this is Minash Patel with IMTF Trade. Today is February 2nd, Saturday. We're doing a video this morning to kind of get everyone going. What we're going to do is look at some live opportunities for trades for next week. Okay, so what we've done is we logged into our scanner, logged into level 1, which is free. There's no price at all. All you do is go in, product scanner, subscribe for free, and you're going to basically the screens will look like this. So what you do is once you subscribe for free, come in the product scanner, and then what we did was we had a scan that we've been created before where we look for a green bullish shaded area on a 60-minute. That means there's a bullish setup on a 60, and then also at the same time over here on the daily, you're looking for a green shaded number 4 also. So it's a bullish setup on a 60-minute, bullish setup on a daily time frame. And then what we did was over in the general tab, we chose that we want to look at the currency market, SP500, and that was it. So on that list, we got this list right here. This is basically all the bullish opportunities here. And the reason why we're biasing bullish is that we believe the market still has a high probability of going up at least to the third week into February, if not longer, but at least into February. If you feel like it's neutral, then you look for bullish and bearish. If you look for like market's going to be bearish, you could look for bearish opportunities. Okay, so now what we've done is we got NEE. So we're going to take this list and we're going to filter it down to the best opportunity. And what we're going to do is, without even looking at charts, we're going to sit there and look at seasonality for the month of February since the beginning of the month. So NEE is the first one. Okay. And we're going to put that in. You could see here in a minute, NEE, 56% probability of being bearish. Don't like that one at all. So now we're going to go to ISRG. ISRG, 71% probability. That's really good here. It's got a 10% SIV value. That means 10% of at least the price action for the year is in this month. So it's telling us trending. Notice one thing. Last year you had a bearish scenario, but you notice you never had 2 years in a row. So this has a high probability of going up too. Let's keep on going. HIG. I want to kind of look for something that's around 80-90% because that's a higher probability. This is 55% probability going down, and you could see last year was 2 years in a row going down. That's never been seen, so it could sit there and go down this year too. So we're going to keep on going forward. GPN was the next one. Remember, alert trades, this is all free. The scanner is all free. So we're doing everything for free. Here we go. 85% probability of being bullish. That looks really, really good. So we're going to keep that one on the list. Higher than the other one, ISRG. So next is going to be FIS. Let's see if we could get a little more to the 90%. This is 78%. CMI. Yes, I could list this on a piece of paper, but I'm going to do this live just as I normally do. That way you guys could see the exact actions I take here every Saturday morning to find opportunities to trade for the following week. CB, there's nothing there. SYK. This is my morning routine that I literally do every morning on Saturday to find some trading opportunities for the following week. This is 73% probability, 12% movement. Last year down, and this could be another one here. This will be my third priority as far as trades to look for. Okay, so the first one we're definitely going to look at is GPN. Next is ISRG, and then you can look at the SYK. So those are three great opportunities there. But we're going to look at GPN now. Remember, this is a 60-minute that we look for on the trading time frame. You could have sat there and done other time frames too, but we basically made sure there was a bullish setup on the 60-minute, and then made sure there was a bullish setup on a daily. Okay, so now if you look at our charts with the IMTF indicator, you can see you have a green shaded area here. Notice you had two red shaded areas. You had a red shaded area here after a nice bullish trend, had a pullback here. At that point, it didn't sit there and continue on the pullback, never sat there and trigger the breakout dots for the bearish scenario at all. Then again, you had another bearish scenario here. So twice it tried to go bearish, but did not succeed at all. Never got to the blue dots, which is a breakout entry at all. Now you have a green shaded area here. Your breakout entry's right there. You want to make sure your entry is a little higher than those blue dots, because those blue dots are sitting on that right there. So make sure you get a little higher right there. So that's going to be our entry. It's a bullish setup here. That's our breakout entry. Notice it's also got these multiple time frame crosses there. So this is a high probability situation here. So basically you want to enter here with initial stop there. Remember, you haven't entered the trade. This is for a black swan event. When this does enter here at the blue dots there, your green dots will be drastically higher up there, so your risk will be a lot lower. So on setup, you're looking for a 1-to-1 reward risk ratio, so that when you enter the trade, it does sit there and got a lot less, and that's where you have a potential of making 3-to-1 reward risk ratio. So this is a trade we're definitely going to be looking at next week, where we're basically going to be putting an order out there as soon as it gets there to that level there. So we're going to put an alert here, and then once it gets there, we're going to look at it with options. When we trade with options, we want to make sure the volatility is low or average for single calls. If not, we're going to look at a vertical spread for about 60 days or less, since it's a 60-minute time frame. Okay. Now, this is very, very easy what we're doing. We're taking two different products that are free, and we're finding the high probability situations, something you could do every Saturday morning. If you don't know, have a trading plan or anything, don't worry. Let me show you something. If you come back to our website here, IMTF Trade, go to education, click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to pull the screen up. We have this foundation course that actually starts tomorrow. This is, believe it or not, a 3-month course that you're going to go through. 3 months, that's correct. So basically, it's every week for the first week for 1 month. We're going to basically give you the trading plan for breakout trades and pullback trades. We're going to show you how to optimize it. We're going to do everything together. At the end of each session, you're going to have homework, and then basically you're going to look for trades and so forth, and we'll review your losing trades the following week. What we're doing is that this course is starting tomorrow night. It's going to be online with a webinar of 2 hours, and we're going to teach you how to successfully trade breakout trades. We're going to show you how to forecast them, something people have not done. And what we're doing is we're making a no-risk offer completely, where you could sign up for this course here. You could attend the session for free tomorrow. If you don't like what you see, you can pretty much call us back and basically at that point cancel the foundation course completely. So it's a no-risk offer. This is the first time we're making that, because we know that everyone's going to sit there and take the course completely from beginning to end. We've never had a complaint on the course, and everyone that's taken the course has been satisfied with it. And that's one of the reasons why for the first time we're doing that there, so people can't sit there and learn how to successfully trade breakout trades. First week, we're going to do breakout trades. Second week, we're going to do pullback trades. And the third and fourth, we're going to basically start using multiple time frame analysis in order to optimize those trading plans completely. So the first month, we're going to basically give you the trading plans for breakout and pullback trades in an optimized form. And then the following 2 months, we're going to sit there and get together, review all your trades, and start to look for opportunities too in the market, whether it be currency, stocks, futures, it does not matter. But we'll spend the next 2 months doing post support, what we call, in that we're going to look for opportunities together, and we'll also review all your winning trades and losing trades too. Okay, so this is a no-risk offer. If you guys have any questions, you can email us at info@eiicapital.com, or what you could do is call us at this phone number right there. So all of the contact information is on the front page here. There's a phone number, there's an email there, but you could go online to the course right away. Just click on education, and then you'll see the foundation course, so you could sign up for there. And as I mentioned, the course actually starts tomorrow night. So you have to register before then in order to sit there and get involved in the course. Thank you, and have a good day.